Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix guys this problem on Oppo phone device. Friends, you have guys this problem. Friends, you can see your phone screen show this type interface. So how to fix this problem today friends I am going to show you in this video. So friends, same problem you have on your Oppo phone device. So how to fix and how to solve this problem today friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, you will have to open friends your phone setting. On your phone setting you can solve this problem. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on guys your Oppo phone guys. First of all, additional setting guys, additional setting friends, click on additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can find here accessibility. So guys, click on accessibility setting. After on accessibility friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, scroll it. So friends, you will find here color inversion setting. Friends, you will have to only tap here, and when by mistake you have enabled this setting, so when you will have to only tap here, your problem will solve, your problem will fix. Friends, come back. Friends, your dark mode will off automatic, and friends, you can use your YouTube app and you can watch any video photo without any different color. Friends, you can check. So friends, like that guy we can fix guys color inversion on our Oppo phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to fix color inversion on Oppo phone device. So bye bye. So friends, do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys. And friends, you can fix one more option guys, sorry. Friends, click on direct search option, and friends search your accessibility, and guys click on accessibility setting, and then scroll it, and friends you can solve and you can fix this problem from here. So bye guys.